everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. Got another haul here for you today. I guess I should say unboxing. Haul usually means a lot. I have two things to show you. I guess I'll start out though with my outfit of the day. The sweater is from Lane Bryant. This is a tank from last season, Torrid. Leggings or jeggings are from Torrid. Belt is from Torrid. And this is how I look after about after about 11 hours of work and a half-hour drive home. So, take me as I am. Well, you're here for the haul anyways, right? So, let's get on with the haul. Alright, so getting into the haul here, I purchased a few things from the Nordstrom sale. I know everybody has. Basically, though, all I picked out clothing-wise was a big, nice long blue sweater and a really long gold mustard-colored cardigan. So rather than take them out of the bag now when it's still summer and I'm not going to wear them, I'm just going to tell you I got them, and so you'll know. But I also bought one other thing from Nordstrom. What I've been trying to do, as you probably could have saw from my last haul if you've seen that, is want to get something special from each of the more luxury fashion houses and also the more kind of like higher end brands, not really luxury, but I have Michael Kors, I have Coach. I wanted to get something from Tory Burch. I may do Longchamp yet. I got my Vuitton, I got my Chanel, I got Gucci, I got Prada, and I don't know how much I like Hermes. I, to be 100% honest, have not found a whole lot from there or seen a whole lot that I've really liked a whole lot. I don't know why. All the other fashion houses speak to me, but not Hermes. So I'm not sure if that one will happen or not. But I don't have anything from Tory Burch. So they had something from Tory Burch on sale that I thought was really neat. It was a really good price point, and so I decided to get that. That's the first thing that I'll show you. So it just came in a nice little box like this. And then you open it up. And you can see the little Tory Burch symbol on the box. And you actually get a little, it comes in tissue paper. And you get your little like care booklet here. And then here's the box that it comes in. See the symbol on the front? I knew Tory Burch is another brand that I've looked at a lot of the bags. And, Kate Spade. I have Kate Spade too. But I've looked at a lot of the bags. And nothing ever really speaks to me. Nothing ever really, I haven't seen anything yet that I'm like, oh yeah, I'd really like one of those. So, I saw this though, and I really liked this, and then I knew I'd have something Tory Burch. So it wasn't exactly what I was planning on, because I was planning on probably a bag or a wallet, but this fit the bill. So, what I got here is a watch. I've already had it out, as you can probably tell. And it's just a nice watch like this. The band is so long because it's a double band. It wraps around twice. So it just looks like this. It's blue. What's really neat is the inside is red. And then it does appear that this will, you can switch out the bands here. This actually can come right off. So you could pick whatever type of band whatever type of wristband you'd like. I haven't looked yet to see if there are other bands, but this one, I really wanted the blue because I wear jeans all the time, so I thought this would be perfect. So yeah, there you have it. This is my first ever Tory Burch item, and it's just a really nice watch with a double band. I have a really nice rose gold Michael Kors one, so this one that was just kind of more simple, I really liked it. It really spoke to me. I don't know if the prices are on here. I can't remember what this was. I want to say it was like $93 or something like that. Regularly more like $150. I mean, it was a good amount off. So I was pleased about that too, to get it on sale. And so that's my Tory Burch item. And then I know I just did a haul and I showed my first Chanel, my first Gucci, my first Prada, my first Louis Vuitton. But those were all purchased in Nordstrom's or online. My Louis Vuitton was personalized, so it was purchased online. And I recently had to fly to Oregon for work. And I found out that downtown Oregon has its own Louis Vuitton. So I had to buy something in store. And there was something I'd had my eye on for quite a while. It wasn't a bag, per se. There's still some I'm looking at, but I'm not sure. Chanel just kind of has my heart for bags, and there's a few more of those I'm looking at that hope to someday have. But Louis Vuitton and their smaller things, oh my gosh, I just love them. There's a silk a bandeau that I really liked, but I thought, well, it doesn't really pay to get that. I don't know how much I'd use it, and currently I don't have a bag to put it on. So this, though, from the time I saw it, I knew that I wanted it. As soon as I saw it, and you've probably seen it 1,000 times, okay, maybe not 1,000, because it's been being hauled already online, but I just had to have it, so I went into the store, and I was very excited because they actually had it, and I'm just going to open it now. Sorry, that's my phone kind of ringing there. Alright, so here we have the little box. And it comes with a nice little drawer. Well, I suppose I could say I have my receipt and stuff too. Alright, so, little drawer. This comes in its own little dust bag. I'm so excited because I bought this early last week when I was in Portland, and I haven't opened it since. So, can you guess what it is? I got the Zoe. I was so excited about this. So I got this. I wanted the one with the pink. They had the like fuchsia, and I almost got it. And it was the first one she gave to me. But I looked at this. I looked at the Rosalie, and no. I wanted this one. I like it because it's got the little pocket behind. And I don't know if you can see that. It actually is still pink, both the inside the canvas, or the leather, and there's pink. Then you open it up. And what I liked about this was that you could do everything with it. There is a spot that's pink in here for your money, and dollars do fit in here. There's a little spot here to put your coins, and this has the number on it, just what this is. It also has just a Louis Vuitton coated fabric tape. And then, yeah, this is just really nice. Just a little spot for your coins. And then it holds 1, 2, 3, 4 cards there. And then again, for whatever you're going to put in here. So I've really started to narrow down what I carry in my purse, especially for cards. So, I just love this. So yeah, that is my newest little Louis Vuitton. I bought it in the store myself. It was a really good experience. I looked around at everything, and it just came to this. Like I said, I was really close on the Rosalie. That one's a little bit bigger, but it doesn't have anything for coins, so not in the way this does. And oh, this just feels so soft and feels so good. And yeah, I just got my next Louis Vuitton, my first in-store purchase. And it's from Portland, Oregon. I didn't look to see where this one was made. Let's see. And it looks like it says here, Paris. So, yeah, that's it. That's my haul for today. So, again, I'm going to leave you with do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Please like, comment, subscribe if you like. And I will see you next time.